Here's the new garden plot that I'm just finished doing it for 37 days. It's a month and 1 week now. A few days ago, since actually it's 4 days ago, I planted eggplant here. This is Japanese eggplant, and the other side, this one is the one that I'm working on it now. What I'm doing is like put a trench on the side of the plot for irrigation, because I'm using just like a hose, but before I'm using a sprinkler like this to water the garden. What I noticed is in a month I spent like $40 in water. Yeah, it's not that much, but thinking of paying water, since I have city water, it adds up to my expenses. Yeah, expenses is inevitable. You cannot get away with it. But what I'm thinking now, since I first planted this, as I said, 4 days ago, I made this plot not flat, but a little higher on this end, then lower at the other end. So the water will fall or go through from higher elevation to the lower elevation. The elevation is only like 3 inches. Now this one, what I'm going to do is just put the water hose at the very end here, and then flow through everything in there up to the end. This is like 100 feet plot. Now the plot that I'm making is 6 feet in width, 6 feet wide. So instead of having 2 feet wide and 2 feet wide here, to me it's easier to manage. Like you plant something in here, right here I already planted eggplant, and this side I'm planning to plant cabbage. So even fertilizing, it looks like it's easier to fertilize when I dissolve the fertilizer in a big drum, like 55-gallon drum, and run it into the trench. The same thing as this one, because the other plots right there, I have some vegetable there. But you know, when you are doing a backyard gardening, it's a learning curve. Every single time you think of something better than the first thing that you made before. But that's how it is, you know. Easier, well, gardening and farming is no easy feat. It's always hard, but this is the way I'm happy, and this is the way I wanted. So we will see next time. But for now, this side, as I said, I will put a trench and then put a plant cabbage in here, and then we will see what's gonna happen. Well, that's all for now, folks, and hope you like this video. And if you can, hit subscribe, thumbs up, and hit the notification bell button. Thank you very much. Until next time. Bye.